This is your stage, your spotlight. Hello Meghalaya. Your story starts here.
Nakajingmi ke khubor bakan don kajingnya Bujli Myntri hapreng arngot kinong mi khmat ka Bharatiya Janata Party BJP kata uba EL hack baruba Sanbor Sulai kala penlong yo ba EL hack ban ong makampat don jing betha Eiei kabana kaliang ka party habakran sikilat pathai khubor ha kanok phai singi jong ka sautre unai tung arja arpusan uba EL hack lo ong bakasyong ha ka party ban shimya ka rai namar hadu manta ampat don kanu gajing kran bat ka party halor kane bat kenturu yakilat pathai khubor ban keli naki bor bahalor ka BJP.
That is the party decision, but for the party decision is a final to me.
Was there any written agreement between you and...
That is, you can ask from the party only. That one I will not be able to tell you. The party will tell you.
But have you signed me?
You ask the party. The party will tell you, not me.
But there's a report, unconfirmed report, saying that you and Sanbor had a mutual agreement.
That you can ask from the party only. The party will be able to give you the clear picture.
But party is saying to take it from you.
Let the party tell me. Why you have to ask me? Let the party tell me. Then I'll tell you. But if the party they have not asked me, this is asked by you only. So that is the duty, responsibility of the party. The party will take a call on this.
So if the party asks you in case to vacate, will you abide?
I said that. I told you from beginning. Whatever party take decision, I will abide with the party decision.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kishap plus F hakajing som. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat akabatau bha. Kam kata ikadur jengki marbam kajing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi panai kita.
Kadon ka we kajing mentoy bakongsan. Kakot kakia. Ka nutrition bakam bha kajing im bakam bha pendon kam daki marba medon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya